Alright, today we're taking a look at a really nice little Zippo that just came in. Now this one arrived in the protective sleeve, and it says Guinness on the cardboard sleeve. Also says Guinness on the label on the regular black box. It's a genuine Zippo made in the USA in Bradford, PA. So there's a first look at this Guinness. And the insert is somewhat collectible. It's got the Guinness logo and it says the Guinness word and associated logos are trademarks of Guinness and Company. So that's the inner sleeve on the genuine Zippo. Now this Zippo is brass. It's high polished brass. So it'll take fingerprints real easily. There's the Guinness harp. And I think that says established in 1759. Now this one was made in H of 17. That's about August. That's one of the best sounds I've heard in a while, and it's got a brass insert. Fires up really nice. Let's do a drop test on this Guinness. A lit drop test. Okay, there's the Guinness high polished brass Zippo passing the drop test. This is a really good one. I like that high polish on there. So that is a really nice addition to my collection and definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.